Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can convert Bitcoin to your USDT or how you can swap Bitcoin to USDT on a KuCoin account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. Then you need to log in into your KuCoin account, and once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So you can quickly scan your available assets in order to trade by putting on Bitcoin on the search box in the top right. Next interface, to access all the trading pair of Bitcoin, tap on trade. So as you click on it, a pop-up will appear in order to choose a trading pair. So you can either select Bitcoin or USDT, and after that you'll be taken to the screen where you can convert your Bitcoin for USDT. So you can select the trading pair, so then choose the order type and when you want to set a price in order to buy or sell the asset. So next interface, you need to select the Bitcoin, how much you want to convert it for USDT, and that is how you can convert Bitcoin to USDT. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.